Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is a fan favorite. I thought I'd remake it. It is my beautiful recipe for fried chicken. This has got a lovely flavored brine that we leave the chicken in for 48 hours before it's fried in some flour and cornmeal until golden brown. It's really simple. Our ingredients are pretty simple. Got some chicken legs here which I have cut in between the thigh and the drumstick. Then to flavour the brine, we have some star anise, bay leaf, scotch bonnet, garlic cloves and fresh thyme. To create the brine, we have some brown sugar, white sugar and some salt. And of course we have some water. So to start with, we want to make the brine. So we have our brown sugar, white sugar and our salt. We're going to add our water. This is just cold water, and just whisk it until all of the grains have dissolved. Then we're going to add this mix to a pan, and that is just to give it a little heat, and then when we add the flavour and fresh ingredients, it just helps to bring the flavour out. So whilst that's on the stove, we're just going to prepare our seasoning. So I've got scotch bonnet, I'm going to chop some fresh garlic, I'm just going to crush it, leave it in the skin. Then you want to transfer the brine liquid to a bowl, and whilst it's hot, we're going to add our garlic, bay leaves, fresh thyme, star anise and scotch bonnet. Then we want to leave it to cool, because this way it will flavour the water ready for the chicken. Once it's cooled, we're going to add the chicken to the brine. Make sure the brine is covering the chicken all over and that it's all submerged, because this is going to flavour that meat from the bone all the way inside and out. Once that's all submerged in the water, we're going to cover this in cling film, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 48 hours. So after 48 hours, here we have it. Change colour a little bit, but trust me, the flavour on this is going to be awesome. So just going to drain the brine and liquid, and then remove all the fresh seasonings like the scotch bonnet and bay leaves, etc. Set that aside. Now we've got some flour here and some cornmeal to prepare the coating, because we're going to get ready to fry this now. So I'm just going to mix both of these together in a bowl, and then we can start to dust the chicken. So just add the chicken straight into the bowl and coat all over. Make sure that they are thoroughly coated, and just put them on a tray whilst you go through the chicken in batches. And we're going to repeat that. So we're going to make sure that the chicken gets coated twice, because this helps the coating to stick, and it also gives it a really strong coating whilst it's frying. Once everything's coated, I like to leave it for a few minutes, because that allows the coating to stick. And then we're going to fry these. So I've got some regular vegetable oil just hot in my pan here. I'm just going to add the chicken in batches and cook it on a medium heat until it's golden brown. Just make sure while the chicken's cooking, you're giving it a turn every now and again. If it's going too brown too quickly, turn the heat down. So once it's all cooked, I've just got a baking tray and a cooling rack to allow the oil to drip down. And that is literally it. That's my recipe for fried chicken. And I just say serve this straight away. So I'm serving this with some biscuits, because I felt like doing something different. The recipe for that is above. If you can see in the middle, the flesh is super soft and tender, lovely, evenly cooked through. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. Until the next time, peace and love.